Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "There are three persons whom Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will neither cast a merciful glance at nor purify them on the day of resurrection, and there is a painful torment for them. The first, who has excessive water, and he does not permit the travelers to drink it. The second, who swears an oath of allegiance to a ruler for worldly sake. If he awards him anything, he will remain pleased with the ruler, and if the ruler does not award him anything, he becomes offended. The third, who sells his goods after Asr and says, taking an oath by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, saves whom there is no worthy of worship, I was being offered such and such price for this thing, and the other person considers him true. Then he recites this verse, those who accept mean price in exchange for their covenant with Allah and their oaths." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2358.